So today we are going to start our pen stand. You can see I use these kind of boxes, and for base I use this cardboard. It's a very thick cardboard and very stiff also. And for round boxes I use this round box, and I secure the bottom with drawing sheet. I will show you. This drawing sheet I use simply normal, which kids are using for coloring. I cut circle around the shape and stick it and secure it with masking tape, and same kind of I make these boxes with the waste cardboard boxes, bottle boxes. I use the here whiskey box, so you can use as your own choice boxes and shapes, and according to your requirement. See, I am using masking tape to secure the end of the round box like this. Place this white sheet here, and with masking tape secure it like this. After that, we are covering all the boxes with the newspaper and Fevicol, so it's going to be stiff and thick. And then with the help of glue gun we stick it, and after that we are doing coating of clay, so it's going to be stick enough like this. You can see it's done here. So first I will guide you how to cover these boxes with my newspaper. I use normal newspaper. Cut it in a strips. It's your own choice. Means you want to cut it in a strips or you want tear with hand. It's completely optional. So here I dilute my Fevicol, and you can see I mix it 2 spoon Fevicol and 2 spoon water, and mix it well. Right now you can see there is a lots of lumps of Fevicol. You have to dilute it very properly so it become a smooth liquid. Such kind of Fevicol we use to stick paper on any carton, any box. You can use tissue paper. If you don't have newspaper, you can use tissue paper. You can use old notebooks of your kids. Anything you can use to cover such kind of boxes. Actually it give a good and strong base after dry. I show you one round and one square. And if you are using MDF for base, okay. Otherwise, if you are using this such kind of cardboard like me, you have to cover the box, the base also. See, like this. Okay. Apply Fevicol and cover, and give a rest of a day, so it going to be stick properly. Press it gently, very gently. You can use tissue paper, but newspaper is more strong than a tissue paper. and we require here strong. Cut extra and just secure the end with Fevicol. Same procedure you have to repeat for the base. Like this, and then cut extra, make it cut, again apply Fevicol and turn all the cut like this, so the base going to be strong enough. See, like this you cover base sides properly, secure with tape and leave it. Now we are going to do for box. Select a paper, apply Fevicol, like this, gently press. Like this. Once one layer is dry, you have to repeat another layer, so your box is going to be strong enough. Same procedure you have to repeat for the this part. Apply Fevicol and then apply paper. Like this procedure you have to repeat for all the boxes. Once this is done, we are going to start our next step. See, my everything is going to be dry. You can see this is completely dry and it's going to be stiff enough. You can see this box, this big box is also dry. First we are doing a coating of texture paste and then we are doing clay work. You can see my base is also covered fully and it's going to be stiff enough. You can see here. So we are going to start. First we are doing coating with any texture paste and then we are stick it with hot glue gun. Hot glue gun is quite good for sticking and sticking is also very fast with hot glue gun. I have a marble powder and a putty powder. Two things I have. Sorry, chalk powder. Two things I have. Which you have, you can use, no problem in it. You can see this is my chalk powder and this is my marble powder. So anything you can use, there is no limitation. And I have a Fevicol. So with Fevicol, make a paste and stick it. First I use this chalk powder. It's completely up to you which powder you want to use, or you can mix two powders at a time. There is no problem at all. We only make a texture paste. That's all. Keep aside all the things. You can see I mix it almost. See, my Fevicol is not mixed properly. You have to mix Fevicol evenly. So beat it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. There is no lumps and your texture paste is smooth enough. Now you can see it's going to be smooth enough. So first we are covering this box. You can spread with brush or you can spread with any spatula, any knife you can use like this. It took time to dry. It gave us strong texture to our box. All the sides, you have to cover all the sides. Same procedure you have to repeat for all the boxes. All the sides you have to cover. Once it's dry, it become a strong enough. 3 to 4 hours it took to dry. Don't add water in such kind of paste because we need a strong grip, so only add Fevicol. Don't use water. Now carefully like this. Leave it for dry. Cover once again all the corners with paste. Now we are doing for another one. Same procedure you have to repeat for all the boxes and for the base also. After it's dry, we stick all the boxes with a hot glue gun and then we are going to start our clay work for the designing. It gives your boxes strong and fine texture. You can use any paste but avoid POP, otherwise you can use anything. Putty powder, ceramic powder, marble powder, you can use anything, only avoid ceramic. Only avoid POP. Like this, evenly spread on base also. So that base going to be strong enough. Now I will show you on a round. Procedure is same for everyone. Every round or square box like this. It give a beautiful texture also. I will show you one more process of covering, and it's up to you which procedure you want. If you think that your paste is not quite thick, or maybe your boxes is weak, once after one layer is going to be dry, you can cover it with another one layer. So your boxes are going to be strong enough after second layer of this texture paste. See, this is the one procedure, and I will guide you the another one also. See, this is the foil paper, used foil paper. You apply Fevicol here, full part, and stick this like this. I will guide you, no issues. See, I apply this paste here properly. You can apply Fevicol or you can apply this paste also. It's up to you completely. Then place this foil paper and press it gently. Okay, like this. You can cover full your box with same procedure. Once it's dry, it's become strong enough and also with wonderful texture. Like this, and cover your full box. Okay, like this. Your box is completely ready. This is the two way you can secure your boxes. So as you see, after texture, you can see my boxes are going to be strong enough. You can see all the boxes with the tissue paper texture, foil texture, and here is a texture paste. Now if you want to make tabletop, you can arrange like this 1 2 3 and like this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, but we are going to make in a hanging, so hanging procedure is little bit of different. First we hot our hot glue gun. Yeah, and stick it here. Press from the inner side. I will show you like this from the inner pocket, so that it going to be stick properly. Now we are going to stick another box. Like this, and press from the inner side, so it's going to be stiff like this. Now we are going to stick the round one. Hold it for a few minutes, few seconds only. Now another round. Apply sufficient amount of glue. Then another one. And this space you can stick some hangings for key hanging. Now we are going to secure it with clay. It's not strong enough, it's going to be stiff. Now we are going to make strong with clay. I have such kind of hanging. Apply glue properly, and then press. So as you see, my placement is done. Now it's time to do clay work. Now you can see I apply Fevicol here. Not only Fevicol, we have to make it more stronger. So I just apply clay here. I will show you like this. And make it smooth. We are not making just for a showpiece now, so we require quite stiff, quite strong, like this. After drying, it going to be strong enough, all the round one and both square one. We secure it with Fevicol and clay. Once it's dry, we start our clay work. can add little clay here also. It give a beautiful strong look. Like this, slowly. Here you don't want, leave it as it is, no issues. Now for this area, like this, you cover all the parts with clay so that your pen stand hanging is going to be strong enough. See, I cover with back side also so that my boxes are strong enough. That is very important that we make our craft strong and beautiful. So like this you cover your full pan stand with clay and Fevicol. So like this I did two completely. These three also you have to cover like this, and then we are going to start our next step.